Hello everyone, my name is Martin D. Boto from ALX3B. This presentation po is all about the training plan na binase doon sa ginather nating survey. It is under the qualification of electronics products, assembly and servicing in situ. Mag-i-start na po akong i-explain, i-discuss yung ginawa kong training plan. As you can see here po, it includes training requirements, training activity tasks, mode of training, staff, facilitates, tools and equipment, venue, assessment method, and date and time. Assemble electronics products. Dito po yung training activity. Prepared to assemble electronics products, which means that this task will demonstrate how to set up the work area with a focus on safety, proper organization, and cleanliness. Yung trainee po will learn how to arrange tools and equipment, ensure everything is all ready for assembling electronics components. The staff. Sean Santos na lang po yung naisip kong name, which is we will supervise the preparation process, ensuring yung trainees naintindihan talaga yung kalagayan ng safety and organization during assembly work. Pagdating naman po dito sa facilities, tools and equipment, the facilities, tools and equipment used in our training are not just resources. They are critical enablers of successful learning. They ensure can practice under safe, real-world condition, follow industry standards, and achieve the high level of precision required in electronic assembly. Then also the venue po, which is ninimbento ko galing sa aking name, the Techmark Electronics Corporation. And yung assessment method po, we can do a practical demonstration with oral questioning, also interview and portfolio. Since yung nakalagay po dun sa TR is 140 hours, is good for 9 hours each day. Kaya nilagay ko po dito from October 10 to October 25 with a total of 140 hours. Then participate in workplace meetings and discussion. The first process we will cover is transferring the PVC layout onto the copper clapboard. This step is important because the copper tracks from the circuit that will connect the electronics components after the PVC layout has been successfully transferred onto the copper clapboard. The next important step is conducting a visual inspection to clarify the quality of the transfer. This inspection ensure that the circuit will function correctly and helps avoid costly errors later in the assembly process. Let's look at how proper and standard visual inspection. Tapos dito naman po sa mode of training, the first skill will train students on how to accurately transfer PVC layouts onto copper clapboards. For this will be use a demonstration based training approach followed by hands-on practice. It will begin by demonstrating the process on the students. This involves showing them how to clean and copper clapboard, position the layout, and transfer the design use either to heat transfer or etching method. For the staff, same dun po sa nauna, Sean Santos. For the facilities and tools, ito po yung mga pwede natin gamitin. Utility knife, stripper, high-grade magnifying glass with lamp, soldering wire, SMD soldering paste, high-grade magnifying glass with lamp, flashlight headlamp, cleaning brush, ESD free workbench with mirror. Same lang din po yung assessment method. We can do a practical demonstration with oral questioning, also interview and portfolio. Since yung nakalagay po dun sa TR is 140 hours, it's good for 9 hours each day. Kaya nilagay ko po dito from October 10 to October 25, which a total of 140 hours. I will be discussing a key aspect of my training, which is mounting and soldering of electronics components. This training focuses on developing the skill required to mount and soldering electronics component safety and efficiently while complying with Occupational Health and Safety OHS standards. The purpose of training is ensure that all trainees can effectively mount and soldering electronics components, applying both lead and lead-free soldering techniques. We are not just focused on the technical aspect but all ensure we follow safety standards although the process. One of the critical components of the training is understanding the difference between lead and lead-free solder. This acknowledge is essential because these two types of solder have distinct properties of applications. Lead solder. This type has a lowered melting point and is easier to work with. However, it is health risks due to lead toxicity and it's not environmentally friendly. Lead-free solder. This solder has a higher melting point which makes it more difficult to work with. However, it is environmentally safer with widely used in modern electronics manufacturing due to RoHS. Restriction of hazardous substance compliance. The hands-on components of the training involve setting up and workshop environment, where are called practice melting and soldering components. We are divided into small groups, with each group assigned to specific soldering tasks or challenges. This practical setup allowed us to apply the techniques of learned in theory, such as preparing the workbench, ensuring its ESD safe, using the right tools including soldering irons, soldering tools, and magnifying glasses, followed by proper step for cleaning, soldering, and testing the components, tools, and equipment.